Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to split one column into multiple column in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data into one column. So here I'm going to split into different column. Okay, simply select the data. So I select here entire data, then go to the data tab. Okay, and data tools group, click on the text to column option and here the one dialog box is open, convert text to column wizard. Okay, then here select the delimiters option and you can check here the preview of selected data here showing. Okay, after that click on the next option and here again you can check the preview, and in delimiter you just select the space here the already selected. If you are deselected you can see the data is not showing in column. When you select it, it's showing in the different column. Okay, it's split in different column. Okay, so just click on the space option and here in tab option is default selected, then click on the space. Okay, then click on the next and then click on the finish, and that's it. Here you can see your data is split in the different column. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.